All right, so here we are. Check it out. Oh, we got a bystander.
Hey.
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm good. I'm actually.
All right.
I'm not quite as bad as that, but
You don't mind if I record that?
you go for it.
No, I'm saying like, so you're stuck over there too?
I've got a 4runner as well.
4runner also?
I'm not quite as bad as that angle, but I'm also enough that I didn't want to keep
All right.
trying.
The guy behind me, that's my he's coming with me right now. Okay. So your guy might be coming a little bit later.
No, he's literally right behind you guys.
Oh yeah?
There's a third guy. He was like 5 minutes behind you.
All right.
But yeah, I'll be up here.
All right. Hey guys, Rhino here. So for today's recovery, we're going to Temecula. We got a call, and we have a 4runner that is sliding sideways on a hill. The owner had a friend of his bring a 450, try to help, but they end up making it worse. And the owner also told us that there was some other jeeps coming through, but nobody wanted to touch it because, you know, it's in a really hard position, in a really bad spot. So he called us. We're heading that way right now. It'll take us about an hour 40 minutes to get there, but once I get there, you know, I keep recording. And thank you guys for coming along. If you don't mind me asking, what happened?
Oh, well, we were going along and I was looking down into the canyon to the right, and you know, it just kind of veered over.
Okay.
And it's just off. One guy tried to actually pull me out, but that just kind of slid it down a little further, and we just went, all right, that's enough right there.
That was the guy on the F450, you said?
It was just like a lariat.
Oh, okay.
You know, something like that.
All right, so make a right here?
Yeah.
All right. Well, actually, not here. Yeah, here.
Yeah. I'm not sure how far up it is, mileage-wise, but
we got the GPS, so don't worry.
Yeah.
It should be this one right here, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can't miss it. It's the stuck red 4runner.
Yeah. It's right on the way. So anyway, so what happened after that?
Well, there's a group of cars coming down. Go off here.
Mm-hmm. Go that way, right?
Yeah. Coming down, and my son was with me. He's 22. But they gave us a ride. Well, his mom came and got him.
Okay.
I think down below down here, or maybe up here a little bit. I'm not really sure.
Oh. I didn't see that one.
Yeah.
They're hard. Okay, anyway.
And so the people coming down said they're not even going to attempt.
Oh.
Because it's too much of an angle.
Okay, so they didn't want to.
Because it's gonna need a winch to the front and an anchor to the back. And well, you'll obviously see what you guys need to do.
Yep. The bad thing about having a big old truck is, you know, that making sharp turns.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there it is. We found it.
Good. Nobody pushed it over.
Nope.
But you can see the angle on it.
Oh yeah. All right, so here we are. Check it out. Oh, we got a bystander.
Hey,
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm good. I'm actually.
All right.
I'm not quite as bad as that, but
You don't mind if I record that?
you go for it.
No, I'm saying like, so you're stuck over there too?
I've got a 4runner as well.
4runner also?
I'm not quite as bad as that angle, but I'm also enough that I didn't want to keep
All right.
trying.
The guy behind me, that's my he's coming with me right now. Okay. So your guy might be coming a little bit later.
No, he's literally right behind you guys.
Oh yeah?
There's a third guy. He was like 5 minutes behind you.
All right.
But yeah, I'll be up here.
All right. All right, let's go check it out real quick. Let's go check his out. What's up? Hello. Oh, she's afraid of the flash.
Yeah, he's a hunting dog, so when he sees the lights, he like.
Yeah, he thinks some kind of bug. Let's go check it out. So you passed this guy and you're thinking, oh man, look at that.
Well, so a Jeep was coming the other way and I tried to get out of the way and it was too soft.
Oh yeah.
I just started sinking. That's right there. It's not quite as bad as that guy, but.
All right, and the Jeep didn't came back and help you?
He didn't stop.
Oh man.
I was like running down after him.
Well, he said he wasn't in that position initially.
Yeah.
Somebody tried to help him out, and it kept sliding down.
Well, I stopped as soon as I started sliding because I tried to put it in 4 low and A track, and it just started sliding. So.
All right.
I stopped. But yeah, I think there's a guy behind you. So.
Look at the second one.
2 in a row.
Is that a winch bumper?
Yeah.
Oh, I better not touch anything.
Yeah, just give us a second. Let us assess this situation, make sure.
And the anchor.
That's quite a drop right there.
Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't this bad until that other Ford tried to pull me out, and then it just started sliding like that. And that's when we just said,
That's it.
that's it.
Okay, so far we got the line to the chassis on the back. Alfredo's gonna anchor it to the front. We're gonna put it on neutral, and hopefully, we'll be able to pull it out. No problem. We'll see right now. Alright, Alfredo's trying to pull me out. Well, we got the rear attached. Alright, but let me know when.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, sorry guys, I couldn't take video of the whole thing. It was a little bit more work than we expected, but I ended up pulling the truck back. Pulling it back, pull it right out. Alfredo was being my safety on the front, making sure it doesn't go sideways. So far, so good. But we're still not quite out yet. So let me see what I can do here, because look at the tire. Hold on. The tire is still on the air pretty much. All right, let's see. Slowly. Espérame. Derecho, despacio, despacio. Más. Más. ¿Tienes espacio? ¿Estás bien? Dale. Derecho. No, not yet. Más. Alright, ahora sí. Para adelante y snake it, como dices tú. Espérate, línea. Dale. Pues ya está. Ahí ya salió. Okay guys, so again, I'm sorry I couldn't record everything. It was a little bit more work than we expected, you know, because it was like really going sideways. It was digging in every time we tried to pull him. However, you know, we got him out. He's going home. We're going to another recovery. And thank you guys for watching our videos, and we'll see you next time.